Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will discuss about LMS, Learning Management System. A learning management system is the best online management platform that is used for teaching and learning. Learning management system is an online platform that stores large quantities of teaching materials in a digitized format. Learning management system is a cloud-based software that delivers large-scale education or training content for schools and businesses. The main features of a learning management system include its ease of use and many customization options. With a user-friendly interface, educators can easily manage their content, automate their tasks, and streamline their curriculum from any remote location. You can use the LMS platform to enrich your course content, adding flexibility, credibility, and scalability to online learning management. LMS training system is widely used in schools and higher education to conduct classes in a convenient online format. This platform is also popular among corporate enterprises, particularly useful for onboarding, training seminars, and employee development programs.